What is up? I am Nightwing, and these are the birds with the longest wingspan. Marabou stork with a wingspan of 3.2 meters. Northern royal albatross with a wingspan of 3.2 meters also. Andean condor with a wingspan of 3.3 meters. Antipodean albatross with a wingspan of 3.3 meters. The Amsterdam albatross with a wingspan of 3.4 meters. The Tristan albatross with a wingspan of 3.5 meters. The Dalmatian pelican with a wingspan of 3.51 meters. The Southern Royal Albatross with a wingspan of 3.51 meters. The Great White Pelican with a wingspan of 3.6 meters. At number 1 is the Wandering Albatross with a wingspan of 3.7 meters.